2015 Camry, 250,000 on it now. AC compressor is out. Have no AC in this thing. Hit 80 degrees this week and it was just unbearable, black on black. It was so hot in there, even going down the highway with all the windows open. So I'm over it. Gotta fix the AC. Got a little AC compressor on Amazon. Don't want to dump any money into this thing. 2015 with 250,000 on it. I'm just gonna keep it going. So if I can get the AC going cheap, it is what it is. But I'm gonna put it in myself. Hopefully soon here. But yeah, that's the update on the 2015 Camry 2AR FE. We got the Tundra, great, no issues, 35,000 miles. And of course the 4Runner, this thing will last forever. 70,000-ish miles on it now, 65, 70,000, it's a 21. And Tundra's a 22. And the Camry's a 15. So this is the daily beater car. So yeah, we're just gonna keep going.